What's good, YouTube? In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to enable or disable or how to fix Snapchat notifications for the iPhone 13. If you like this kind of content, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So Snapchat has been a very popular social media platform to quickly share photos and find out what's going on in your area. But if you're not getting notifications from Snapchat, or if you're getting too many notifications from Snapchat, thankfully on the iPhone and the iPhone 13, it's a pretty quick fix. So what you want to do to enable or disable notifications for Snapchat on the iPhone or iOS is head over to your settings. From your settings, what you want to do is scroll down until you see notifications. It's right under personal hotspot and above sound and haptics. You want to hit notifications. From there, you want to scroll down your list of apps until you see Snapchat. So we'll scroll down here. And from here, you can see that Snapchat is in the list of apps. From there, you want to make sure that allow notifications is turned on if you want Snapchat to show notifications on your iPhone. If you don't want notifications from Snapchat, you can keep this to off. Once you turn it on, you can customize the kind of notifications that you get from Snapchat on your iPhone. You can change them from being on your lock screen, notification center, or seeing banners. You can also turn on previews and other things like badges and announce notifications for Snapchat. So there you had, everyone, just a quick and easy way to fix Snapchat notifications for your iPhone, or how to enable or disable Snapchat notifications for your iPhone. If you like this kind of content, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.